We are continuing with the similarity of triangles. Here the question is, in triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of sides AB and AC respectively. Find the area of triangle ADE is to area of triangle ABC. Alright. Now we know that these are the area theorems and we can apply the area theorems only in the triangles which are similar to each other, right? Here D is given the midpoint of AB, E is given the midpoint of AC, and DE is the line joining the midpoints. So by midpoint theorem, DE becomes parallel to BC. We know that line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and is half of it, right? So we will write that first. Since D and E are the midpoints of sides, D is of AB, AB and AC respectively, therefore DE is parallel to BC. Now this will help us in proving the two triangles similar. In triangles ADE and ABC, this angle is common. Angle A is equal to angle A, common in both. And this angle is equal to this angle because now we have proved D is parallel to BC. So these two are corresponding angles. Angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. Reason? Corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by AA axiom. Right? So when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write AD. Therefore, AD upon AB is equal to DE upon BC is equal to AE upon AC. Right? Now, we can find this also. Why? Because now the two triangles are similar. So, we can apply the theorem area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC. Ratios of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the ratios of the squares of their corresponding sides, right? Is equal to, which one will we take? AD and AB. Why? Because D is the midpoint, right? So this is 1 and this is 1, fine. So if this is 1, AD is 1, AB will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1 square and 2 square, fine. So you can write as area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 4. Or if you are asked to write the answer like this, you should always write the answer like this. Otherwise, in board examinations, you will lose the marks. Area of triangle, therefore, area of triangle ADE is to area of triangle ABC, this should be inside, is equal to 1:4, right?